Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make hair shampoo in large quantity, and this can be your new side hustle where you can make lots and lots of money. If this sounds interesting to you, then please keep watching. Make sure to like this video, give it a thumbs up, and also subscribe so you will not miss any of my videos. Now let's get into making hair shampoo. You're going to grab a very big bowl, and into that you add in 10 liters of water. Please measure accurately. Once you have added in your 10 liters of water, you are now going to add your first ingredient, which is nitrosol. You're going to add nitrosol into your water, and then you're going to dissolve this till it is well dissolved and incorporated into your water, and it begins to look a bit cloudy once you have mixed it together. Now, once you have this going and it is properly mixed, it is time for you to do the next ingredient. For the next ingredient, you're going to need a separate bowl. You're going to grab a separate bowl and then just add a bit of water into that bowl. And the next ingredients we are going to be using will be caustic soda. Now, this process is quite similar to how to make liquid soap. If you have not watched that, do check my channel out for that video. You're going to mix your caustic soda into that little water. And once it is well dissolved, remember caustic soda is quite harsh, so be very careful when you're mixing this. You're now going to add it back into your water and nitrosol mixture. Now you're going to mix. When it comes to things like this, you need to be able to mix really well. If you can't do that, have someone that can do it available to help you mix. In a separate bowl, you're now going to add in 5 liters of water. And then into these 5 liters of water, you're going to add the next ingredients. We're going to be making a total of 20 liters of hair shampoo. Now, all of the ingredients you're adding into these 5 liters of water are, you're going to add in your SLS, you're going to add your soda ash, and you're going to add your stpp. Okay, you will mix all 3 of these ingredients together in these 5 liters of water, and then mix till it is well dissolved. Okay, again I go SLS, soda ash, and stpp. If you watched my liquid soap video, of course you already know these ingredients. Now this is what it is going to look like. You want to mix till everything is well combined and everything looks good, because the SLS, which is what they commonly call rice, it is grainy and takes a long time to mix. Once that is properly mixed, you're going to add it back into our large bowl that has our caustic soda, our water, and of course our nitrosol. Now you're going to begin to mix this thoroughly, and then after that you are now going to add in 2 ingredients. You will add your sulphonic, which is what you just saw me pour in there. And then you're also going to add in the second ingredient, which is texapon. Yes, you're going to add in your sulphonic and your texapon into this. Texapon is quite thick, so make sure to, mix very well once you add all of this together. Mix. Again, make sure you can mix this very well till it is well combined, and this might take you up to 10 to 15 minutes. If you're still watching this video, that means you're already enjoying what you're watching. Do subscribe, share this video, and also give it a like and drop in the comments section. Drop a comment for me to encourage me. Now the next ingredient you're going to be adding will be your foam booster. You're going to be adding your vitamin E, and then you're also going to be adding your glycerin. Now you add in your preferred perfume of choice. That is what I just added in there now. And then you are going to add your industrial salt. This is what differentiates your hair shampoo from your regular liquid soap. Once you add in your industrial salt and all of these ingredients I have mentioned, don't worry, everything will be properly listed out in the description box below. You are now going to mix all of this till it is well combined. At this point, your shampoo is ready. All you need to add to it would be coloring of choice. It could be pink, it could be purple, it could be green, it could be even white. Whatever color that you want your hair shampoo to be is what you are going to add to it at this point. Mix till everything is well combined and looking this good. It smells amazing already at this point. And not to worry, in the description box I'm also going to put the handle and the contact details for the vendor that you can get all of these items from. Now you can dissolve your coloring in water and then add it into your shampoo, or you can just pour that directly into the shampoo. Once you have mixed in your coloring, you are going to add some more water to this, and at this point you're going to add 5 liters of water. I did that off camera, and that will give you a total of 20 liters of hair shampoo. Once everything is thoroughly mixed, you're going to grab your packaging bottles and you package these and begin to sell it. Trust me, everyone that uses this shampoo will come back for more. I hope you like this video. Do let me know in the comment section, and see you all in my next video. Bye guys.